Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change Bluesky handle. So in order to change the Bluesky handle, you'll have to simply navigate to the Bluesky application. Now after opening the application, you'll have to simply sign up or log in. So log in using your user credentials and you'll be on Bluesky's dashboard. Here, click on the three-lined icon at the top left of the screen. Now you will see some tools like search, home, chat, notification, profile and settings. Simply search for this gear icon settings button, click on it and you'll be taken to this page. Here you will see signed in as this profile. Now you'll also see your handle appearing at the bottom of your name. Now scroll down and navigate to the section that says advanced. So we have basics, privacy and advanced section on this page. Simply navigate to advanced and click on the change handle button appearing just right here. So under app passwords, you will see change handle button. Click on it and you'll be taken to this page where you can easily enter your new handle here. For example, I will enter a new handle and click on the save icon at the top. Now, when I click on the save icon, I would have successfully changed my handle on Bluesky as you can see just right here. So that's the simple way to change Bluesky handle. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.